Well, this is cool. I got a brief break. I just got home. I got to be back in 11 hours, but I got to come home for the night, so that is pretty awesome. I'm gonna take a real shower, and I got to check out my chickens too, but my honeybees. They are currently bearding, and you see even on the tiny one there, they're doing a little bit, but they don't have very many bees. And then the one on the right there is the new nut from this year. They're doing it a little bit, but check that out. Isn't that cool? That is just a clump of bees. They're just hanging out together. That is so cool. And then you got the chickens just hanging out too. She's looking for all the dead ones that get dropped off by the mortuary bees. But yeah, had to check these out. Well, hope you all have a great evening. I'll see y'all around.